Okay, let's dive into a program designed to demystify AI for everyone.
It seems to be in the news, at work, and, well, everywhere in between.
And with all that buzz, it can be kind of hard to know how it all applies to you.
Yeah, if you're feeling a bit lost in all the jargon, trust me, you are not alone.
The good news? There's a clear entry point made just for non-technical folks.
The promise is simple, a clear, honest look at what AI actually is. It's a 4-hour, self-paced program you can knock out over 4 weeks, no sweat.
So how does it actually work? Well, it's all built on 3 core pillars.
First up, you build that core knowledge, without all the confusing buzzwords.
Then you get to actually practice and build skills in a totally safe environment.
And finally, you start applying AI to the kind of work you're already doing every day.
This is key. You learn judgment, knowing when to use AI and when it's best not to. Now, this is what's really interesting about this whole approach. It's a different philosophy.
Right? It's all about focusing on your habits, your confidence, and your judgment.
The whole point is to build transferable skills that last, even as the technology changes.
And you gotta know, the white belt is just the first step in a much bigger progression.
So if you're not sure where to start, there are even a few free tools to help you out.
It's a really approachable, practical way to gain real skills you can use right away.
So, the real question here is about your path forward in this constantly changing landscape.